Good evening, friends. This is my privilege that I'm getting an opportunity to speak something over here, and my special thanks to you all because you are spending your precious time to hear me. I'm David Chakraborty. Today, I just want to share you about the belief system. What is belief system? Actually, what is belief? If you think that you can do it from your inner soul, that is the belief. If you are thinking, आप अगर समझ लिया कि मैं अंदर से ये थाम लिया ये मेरे को करना है, मैं कर सकूँगा, तो ये है बिलीव. तो कैसे, हाउ बिलीव कैन रीच यू टुवर्ड्स योर गोल. फॉर योर ओन सक्सेस बिलीव इज वन ऑफ द पिलर, द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट पिलर. तो एक्चुअली क्या है, ईच एंड देयर इज अ special power within each and every person, and that power you have to find out. There's a precious gem. Somebody can sing, somebody can dance, somebody can play a tabla or guitar like this, somebody can speak. You have to dig out that particular power, that precious gem, and have to concentrate on there. And if you are actually regarding your education or anything else, if you think that I have to reach my goal, you may set your goal towards that, no problem. So, but thing is that you have to believe yourself. So, don't mix with the negative people who are surrounding you. This is not your cup of tea. This is impossible. Mind it. Impossible means I am possible. Mind it. Impossible stands for, you just think, impossible stands for I am possible, because you are possible to go anywhere, to do anything you like. There is nothing in the world which man can't do. Man can do everything if they have willpower. If they have willpower, that is, you have to believe yourself. Yes, I can do it. I can do it. That is, you have to find out your charisma from inner soul. What is this? What I have special power in me, which the people don't have. The people actually, sometimes you are taking suggestion from anybody. Say, you ask some of your elder brother or anybody else, brother, last year you cracked the IIT. How many hours did you read? He said to you, at least 17 to 18 hours. You are afraid of, yes, I am only 10 hours. No, your mindset and their mindset is not equal. Sachin Tendulkar, he practice 8 hours per day, and there are so many players, they are practicing 17, 18 hours per day. They are not couldn't crack the record of Sachin Tendulkar because his mindset was there. Within 8 hours, I can pick up this thing. No? And other people, those people who are 17, 18 hours practicing but not going into that perfection level, that is their mindset. So, mindset is different for everyone. Okay, success is seldom an accident or incident, it is the result. But you have to reach that goal, that's why you have to find out, dig it out, your special power from your inner soul. So first thing is that you have to believe yourself. How do you believe yourself? How do you believe yourself? Suppose a farmer saw seeds in his field. He investing the money over there. He investing his power over there. He investing the total day under the sunny sunlight, sunny noon. He's sweating, investing everything for his field to grow the crop. So day will, because he has a blind belief system that day will come within 2 or 3 months or more than that, when I can get the crop, full crop, greenery. I can see the greenery in the field and full crop. by selling that, I can maintain my family. This is the belief system. That's why day and night he is digging. He is digging the mud. He is doing all the things related to the soul. This is the first thing. And second thing is that you have to believe yourself. Suppose one place to another, you are going from one place to another. You are going from one place to another, from here to another else. Definitely you have need some transportation. That is maybe flight, that is maybe train, that is by road maybe. Okay? But your belief system is like that. When you are sitting on the flight, you definitely know within this certain period I'll definitely reach my destination. Have you ever think the profile of the particular pilot? Is he operating public flight first time in his life after training, and you are one of his partner? Have you seen ever? No. You just believe on that. Yes, I'm sitting, that's why I reach. Who is the person sitting there? You don't know. Who is the person sitting inside the cabin? You don't know. You have no idea. Just you have a belief, strong belief, that somehow I have to reach there. Isn't it? Second thing is that, suppose you are going by train. When you sit on the train, at that time, most of the people doing like this. People are taking their mobile phone and call to their neighbors or their relatives कि भाई काद सुबह 10 बजे पहुंच जाऊंगा, तो ऐसा करो 10 बजे मेरे को पिकअप करने के लिए स्टेशन पे आ जाना, बोलता है ना. तो योर बिलीफ सिस्टम वर्किंग देयर. आप विश्वास रखते हैं जब उठ के बैठा ये ट्रेन में तब तो जरूर पहुंचेगा. मतलब वो ट्रेन वाला, वो जो ट्रेन चला रहा है वो कौन है, मानुस है ना बंदर है, आप वो भी नहीं जानता. इज इट ह्यूमन बीइंग और मंकी, यू डोंट नो, बट यू हैव अ स्ट्रांग बिलीफ. व्हेन आई सिट देन आई विल रीच देयर. दैट इज योर बिलीफ सिस्टम. Okay, when you are going from one place to another by a car, sitting on the back seat, you don't know, you never ask the driver, you have no idea about the driver. Does he got his license, just permanent license, just 1 month back? Very funny, but you have belief. When you started, you already called to your friend. Okay, I'm reaching there within this particular time, no problem. And you should ready with your wife, and we just do the get together. That's the thing you convey, or you already told everything to everyone. But the thing who is sitting on the operating position, you don't know the profile of particular that, because you have a strong belief system on that. एक बात कहूँ, अगर if you have 100% belief on the others, why you are not believing yourself? My God. अब दूसरे का ऊपर इतना भरोसा करता है, कौन पायलट है, कौन मंकी है, कौन क्या चला रहा है, क्या नहीं कर रहा है, इसका ऊपर बिलीव कर सकता है, तो आपने आपका ऊपर क्यों विश्वास नहीं कर सकता है? हर टाइम मेरे से नहीं होगा, हताश, मेरे से नहीं होगा, ये नहीं होगा, वो नहीं, क्या नहीं होगा? You have all ability in your inner soul. God given us so precious gem. Actually, God, for everyone, God gifted precious gem. You have to dig out that particular gem from yourself. So you people only know what is the special skill building inside of you. That is the main thing. That is the main thing. So, if you try to find out that thing, you set a goal and definitely reach your destination. The time will come, each and every day's practice on that particular field, the time will definitely come, you crack that. I'm telling you, behind every failure there is a success. You know it very well. There are so many persons after 1,000 times practicing, they failure. But when they are reaching on 1,001 time, they definitely strike their goal. But never be disheartened. If you start today, it is half done. आज कोई काम करना शुरू कर दिया तो हाफ संपूर्ण हो गया. आज बहुत गर्मी है, आज बारिश निकल रहा है, ऐसा नहीं. If you plan for your study, just study from today. If you plan for something else, just do it from today. Why for tomorrow? Time and tide wait for none. You have nothing in your hand. You have nothing in your hand. Only you have your own talent in your hand, and you are the first person who can find it out. What is that talent? What you can do properly, isn't it? So believe in yourself. Believe in yourself to strike that goal. Opportunity must not be lost. Opportunity will come in your life somehow. Somehow opportunity will come, but you have to sticky on that particular position. Okay? If you believe on yourself, definitely God believes you. And mind it, God has particular plan for everyone. Everyone, particular plan for everyone to reach your goal. आपका ड्रीम संपूर्ण करने के लिए भगवान का आपका ऊपर कोई प्लानिंग है, लेकिन आपको सोचना चाहिए कौन सा प्लान में मैं उधर जाऊं. मेरा व्हाट इज द स्पेशल पावर बिल्डिंग इन इनसाइड ऑफ मी, विद इन मी. माइंड इट. वो पकड़ के आप आगे चलो. दुनिया का कोई ताकत नहीं है आपको रोके. अब सक्सेस तो बनेगा ही बनेगा. सो बिलीव सिस्टम, विश्वास, आप अपने आप पर विश्वास इज द मोस्ट वन ऑफ द स्ट्रॉन्ग पिलर ऑफ सक्सेस ऑफ ह्यूमन बीइंग. माइंड इट. तो भगवान का सबसे ऊपर सबका ऊपर एक प्लान है. गॉड हैज ए प्लान टू एवरीवन for being success. Just I shared a story and I finished this video. I think if you like it, it's all right. I'll definitely continue another video. But you just think God has a plan for you today morning when you sleep. Close your eyes and recall my words. Definitely tomorrow's morning will another morning for you. I just definitely guaranteed you. Bind it. Just I'm saying one story. A king and his minister went to jungle along with so many soldiers. The king took a doctor with them because doctor is very close friend to that particular king. So they have a very good kinship. So on the way, a highly venomous snake bite on the heel of the king. Everybody was scared of, yes. And the king shouted on high voice, "Doctor, do something on me. Do something for me, no?" Doctor seen that thing is happening, so doctor keep out the sword of king and cut that particular portion of the heel and saved him. This is the main thing. The doctor was shouted on the king was shouted on the doctor. What are you doing, man? What are you doing? You shouldn't do like this. You cut my heel. How is it possible? And doctor told, if I not cut, the total poison will spread it all over your body. That's why I cut. I keep it out, cut and out from your body, or detach from your body. That there is no poison in your body. Just we have to go back immediately and have to do the dressing. And doctor took all the dressing materials to him, and somehow he done. But after huge pain, doctor said, "I'm giving you painkiller." I said, "Okay," but he's the king. He has a boast in his heart, yes, I'm a king, I'm king, nobody can do anything to me. Doctor cut my heel, so doctor should be punishable for that. So he instructed all the soldiers, arrest him and send him to the prison. Doctor was stunned. What happening? Okay, doctor went to the prison. Okay, after 2 or 3 months, again, the king went to the jungle with same structure, with a minister and soldiers, etc., etc. They went to the dense forest, but suddenly they were trapped by a group of tribal class people. They are staying in the jungle from their childhood. Okay, they somehow arrested the original king and took him to their own king, the king of their own community. The king said, today is the actually we just devotee of Ma Kali. Today we sacrifice you in front of the Ma Kali. My goodness. तो क्या है, हम लोग माँ काली का पूजा करते हैं, आज रात को आपको माँ काली के सामने बलि चढ़ाऊंगा. The king was afraid of, what is this? What is happening? To start that process, the tribal king instructed that from today you start just now you start the process and take him for the bath. All the soldiers of them, all the tribal communities keep him for the bath. And when they came back, they shouted, the king, it's not possible to us to actually sacrifice him. बलि नहीं दे सकता. क्यों? क्योंकि पैर में कुछ काट मार्क्स है, तो ये 100% प्योर नहीं है, इसीलिए हो नहीं सकता. Somehow the original king was released. He saved, and he thought himself that that day I punished the doctor. Doctor saved me 2 times. First time from the snake bite and second time from this jungle king. My goodness. He came back and ordered the ministers to release him and hugged the doctor and said, God has a definite plan. That's why that day you cut my heel and today I relieve from that particular place. So, what is happening? It is, you may think, it's a bad time, bad patch going in my life. No, never. Because good time will come. God has a plan for you. Just believe and stick. Just believe yourself and stick on that particular point. Believe in yourself. God believes you. Mind it. Thank you very much. I'll come later on.